Hello, boys and girls. This week we are reading a story called A Musical Day, and these are the words to know. Number 1, hour. We like to play our games together. Number 2, today. The music class will practice today. Number 3, she. She likes to draw with her sister. Number 4, now. They eat lunch now. Later they will play. Number 5, her. She took food for her lunch out of the bag. And number 6 is the word would. Would you like to play with us? In this story, we are looking at the sequence of events. We're thinking about what happened first, next, and last in the story. The story again is called A Musical Day. It is written by Jardine Nolan. It is a realistic fiction. The characters and things could really happen in real life. And the essential question is, how is music part of your everyday life? Mom and Dad will go on a trip today. Our Aunt Viv will be with us. Tom and I are glad. We get a big hug from Aunt Viv. She is lots of fun. We clap, hop, and sing. Glenn and Meg get here. Now Aunt Viv has a plan. She has a big bag. A lot can fit in her bag. What is in it? Would you kids like to play music? Aunt Viv said. Yes, we yell. Meg and I make guitars to pluck. Tom and Glenn make drums to tap. Tom, Glenn, Meg, and I are a band. It is fun to make music with Aunt Viv. And that was our story of the week. Again, we're looking at sequence of events of the musical day, thinking about what happened first, next, and last in the story. Thank you.